Growing your following with website traffic. If you want to really boost your following, your website is another great option to promote your Snapchat account. People that go to your website can follow you on Snapchat if you give them the chance. Your website is a highly visible spot to promote your Snapchat account. Popular websites can receive over 25,000 views or more every day. Some of these websites display their snapcode or username in visible places. Snapchat is exclusively for a mobile audience, so be sure your website is mobile responsive and that your snapcode can be fully displayed in a mobile device for easy screen capturing, so people don't have any problem adding you on Snapchat. There are several ways you can show your snap link, snapcode, or Snapchat username in your website or blog. Blog post. As we did with email, you can also use the exact same strategy by inviting people to use Snapchat and also add you as a friend on a post you created especially for it. Advertising. You can also place your snapcode, snaplink, and Snapchat username in strategic places of your blog or website, as you would with an ad. Snapcode is square, and the greatest place to do this is by adding your snapcode at the top of the right sidebar of your blog. The easiest way to do this, if you are a WordPress user, is by using the Snapchat Snapcode widget. You can simply search for the plugin, install it, and activate it. Then go to Appearance, then Widgets, and drag the Snapchat Snapcode widget to the top of the sidebar. You can add a title like "Click below to be Snapchat friends." You'll need to upload your Snapcode PNG image. Then enter your Snapchat username and click on Save. Take a look at how your snapcode, snaplink, and username look, and you are good to go. Social button. Another cool way to do this is by adding a Snapchat social icon in strategic places on your site, which is normally at the header or the footer of the site. It's more effective to place them at the header. If you search Snapchat in the plugins search bar of WordPress, you'll find social icon widgets which support Snapchat. You can install the follow buttons by Add This and Activate. Once installed, you'll go to the Follow Buttons section of the plugin. Next to the horizontal Follow Buttons option, click on Settings. You can add a title like "Let's Be Friends," and below you'll pick all the social buttons of your choice. Don't forget to add the Snapchat one. You'll then be able to add the username for each account. Finally, click on Activate. Go to Appearance, Widgets, and drag the Follow buttons, horizontal widget, and place it into the header. It's not necessary to add the title here. You'll see your social buttons nicely displayed.